Anyone can generate one good AI image, yeah, just one, but the real stress starts when you need to create multiple images, styles, and campaign ideas at the same time. And the fun fact, without the tool slowing down, breaking, or giving you random results. So today I tested Loriqo batch generation workflow by running more than 6 image generation tasks at once. And the craziest part is that new users currently get 500 free credits with image generation cost as low as 0.11 cents per image. So now the real question is simple: can Loriqo actually handle serious creative work at speed, or is just another AI tool that looks good in demos? But before even talking about speed, there's a bigger problem most people face with AI images tools. The problem is not always the model, it is the prompt. Because most people know what they want visually, but do not know how to describe it properly. You might write something simple like create a modern product photo, and the results might look okay, but it's usually not have the exact lighting, camera angle, background textures, commercial polish, or mood you had in your head. And you know what? This is where Loriqo new AI prompt optimizer assistant becomes really useful. Because instead of forcing you to write the perfect prompt from scratch, Loriqo lets you begin with the simple descriptions, and that helps you co-create the final prompt. For example, I started with a basic idea like a luxury skincare bottle on a clean background. That was not enough to begin. From there, the assistant helped refine the idea by adding details about lighting, soft shadows, premium product styling, background direction, camera perspective, and the overall visual mood. And that immediately changes the quality of the output, because in AI image generation, a weak output gives you a random results, but a strong prompt gives you the model, proper direction. And after that, I move into actual batch generation test. I did not just create one image and call it a day. I run multiple tasks at the same time, including product photography, fashion visuals, e-commerce images, cinematic portraits, social media graphics, and concept art. And this is where workflow started to feel different, because instead of waiting for one idea to finish before starting the next, I could keep several generation jobs running side by side. And the tool stayed stable, and the output speed was really fast, and the product felt much closer to a real creative production workflow. And that matters because creators, marketers, e-commerce stores, and agencies are usually not creating just one image. They are testing variations, they are comparing styles, they are trying different backgrounds, angles, campaigns, moods, and formats. If your tool can handle multiple jobs at once, you do not just save a few seconds, actually you are saves a serious amount of creative production time. And during this test, Loriqo batch generation workflow made that process feel much smoother. But the feature that stood out most was still the AI prompt optimizer assistant, because one of its strongest abilities is image to prompt. You can upload a reference image, and the assistant can infer the style, structure, lighting, composition, and visual direction behind it. So if you see a product photo, fancy campaign, cinematic frame, or social media visuals you like, you do not have to sit there guessing how to write the prompt. The assistant can help reverse engineer the image into a usable creative direction. It also works through text co-creations. You can send a simple idea in normal language and then chat back and forth with the assistant until the prompt becomes stronger. So instead of writing one prompt and hoping it works, you can shape the image more intentionally. You can ask it to make the prompt more premium, more cinematic, more minimal, more realistic, and more commercial, or more suitable for a specific platform. Really, that makes the process feel less like random prompting and more like working with a creative partner. Alright, another useful part is that Loriqo supports text and image together. That means you can upload a visual reference and also explain what you want in words. This is really important because sometimes text alone is not enough, and sometimes an image alone does not explain your exact goal. Maybe you want the lighting from one reference, the product style from another, and your own campaign idea on top. With the text plus image workflow, the assistant can understand both the visual's direction and the written instruction before creating the optimized prompt. Also, the assistant can also help you when your prompt is too vague. Instead of immediately giving you a generic result, it can ask for more details. It can help you think through the lighting, background camera angles, colors, mood, style, and audience. And that is especially helpful for beginners who do not know what details matter, but it is also useful for professionals who want to move faster without manually polishing every single prompt. And if you are not satisfied with the optimized prompt, you are not stuck. Loriqo also gives you a one-click regenerate option, so you can quickly swap or regenerate the prompt and explore a different direction. Maybe the first version feels too cinematic, too clean, too dramatic, or too simple. Instead of starting over, you can regenerate and keep moving. And that small features make the creative process feel much more faster, because you can keep the testing ideas without losing momentum. And once I had the optimized prompts, I pushed the tool harder with more batch generation tasks. fast. I tested clean e-commerce product shot, luxury brand visuals, lifestyle campaign images, cinematic character portraits, social media ad concepts, and stylish creative artwork. The point was not just to see whether Loriqo could make pretty images. The point was to see whether it could support a real content workflow. Because in real life, you're not sitting there generating one perfect image. You are comparing options, building campaigns, testing styles, and trying to move faster without losing quality. That is where Loriqo starts to feel premium. Batch generation workflow helps with speed and scale, while the AI prompt optimizer assistant helps with creative direction. Beginners can also get better results without needing to master advanced prompting, and experienced creators can save time by letting the assistant polish, expand, and refine their ideas. So the workflow becomes simple. Start with a rough idea, use the assistant to optimize the prompt, run multiple generation jobs, compare the results, regenerate what does not work, and keep refining until the final image actually matches your vision. And that is the real value here. Loriqo is not just helping you generate images, it is helping you move from a rough idea to a polished visual direction much faster. And when you combine batch generation, prompt optimization, image to prompt, hybrid text and image output, hybrid text and image input, interactive detailing, one-click regeneration, 500 free credits of course, and pricing as low as 11 cents per image, it becomes a very strong tool for creators, e-commerce, brands, marketers, and agencies. Okay, so now if you want to test it yourself, Loriqo currently gives new users 500 free credits. You can try one of the market's most powerful big model image generation workflow for as low as 11 cents per image. Upload a reference image, start with a simple idea, use the AI prompt optimizer assistant, run your own batch generation test, and see how close you can get to the image you actually had in your head. Because the future of AI image tool is not just generating faster, it is creating smarter. Alright, so that's it. Again, link in the description of Loriqo. Definitely go and try it out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions and curious regarding this video and regarding Loriqo AI tool. Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely go and watch this video now. And before going, hit that subscribe button and that like button too.